Visiting Vet is changing the face of veterinarian care by taking it out of the office and into the home while adding a level of comfort for your pet that is unsurpassed. In 2011, veterinarian Dr. Laura Murphy saw some major improvements that could be made in her field, which she accomplished by starting Visiting Vet, an in-home pet care service.
I use Dr. Murphy for routine visits, annual checkups, but also because my dog has a number of physical problems and because she has to supervise those. And she comes and does examinations here in the house, which is very convenient and helps my dog tremendously.
Thinking far beyond just caring for animals, her goal was to offer more individualized personal pet care in a relaxed, stress-free environment, your home. Animals are exceedingly more relaxed when she goes to them rather than when they come to an office. Pets no longer need to be subjected to cold tables and bright lights. In-home visits allow Dr. Murphy to get down on the floor with your pet, on a bed or couch, wherever your pet is most comfortable.
We use a Visiting Vet service because at first it was for convenience, but since we've gotten to know Dr. Laura, she comes. I think Merlin's more at ease when she's here. He loves her. There's never a time that I can't call her with any question. Nothing's too big or too small. She never makes you feel silly when you think something's wrong with your dog. And it's just been such a great experience for us and for Merlin.
Best of all, multiple pets in the same household can be seen at the same time. These benefits are even more evident in cats who no longer have to be put in a carrier, and for more timid dogs who are more comfortable in their own environment. Visiting Vet's in-home care has proven especially beneficial to older, homebound pet owners or for those who have difficulty finding time to make it to the vet. Visiting Vet achieves another important goal, getting to know pet owners. Dr. Murphy is able to see the abilities of the pet owner and truly understand how they provide for their pets. She can offer suggestions and advice based on her observations. Hence, a bond between doctor and pet owner is formed. Dr. Murphy and her assistants provide many services during an in-home visit, such as checkups, vaccinations, pet identification and microchipping, administration of pain medication, antibiotics, fluids, euthanasia, blood screening, small procedures done under mild sedation, DNA testing. Visiting Vet is also very active in animal rescue. Our labs pick up 6 days a week and our online pharmacy sends medication directly to your home. For more complex procedures or more in-depth tests, Visiting Vet is affiliated with a local vet office. When off-site treatment is needed, pets are picked up from your home in the morning and dropped back off in the evening. If an overnight stay is necessary, Dr. Murphy will recommend an overnight facility.
There's only one veterinarian that I've entrusted with his health care for those 10 years, and it's Dr. Laura Murphy. Because of her intelligence, ability, and empathy, she's the only one I've ever trusted to handle him, and God willing, she'll be the only one to take care of him during the next 10 years.
Visiting Vet mainly travels throughout northern Bergen County and southern Rockland, but can travel further for additional fees. All forms of payment are accepted and invoices can be submitted to your pet insurance. Thank you for taking the time to get to know Visiting Vet. We hope to be visiting you and your pet very soon.
It is so easy to recommend Dr. Murphy. I have known her since she first started her practice, and I have always recommended her to everybody, but especially now that she has a home visiting service. To me, that is so unique and so needed and so convenient.
Call Dr. Murphy at 845-848-2500 to discuss whether the Visiting Vet is right for you and your pet. You can also reach us online at yourvisitingvet.com. The Visiting Vet, convenient, quality care.